Thank you.
Toastmaster Sandeep Mohite, Division Director.
1, 2, 4. Anybody heard 3? That means your ears are perfect. Sounds negative or confusing or both? For what? Good question. What do you understand by be greedy? It's a negative word or positive word? Depends on the situation. Okay, if we say with greedy, add some positive words to it. And we will ponder this at the end of my speech. Is that okay? Let us make it more interactive. Distinct dignitaries, Mr. President, Program Quality Director, Club Growth Director, Area Tracking Director, say this. As a member or as a Toastmaster, it is not just to come to the club, attend meetings, give speeches, take roles, or be an audience when the club session is going on. And I see potential in this Toastmasters Club. So are you ready to support your club officers?
Yes.
Good. Now how many are be greedy to take any role? Be greedy to deliver your speech whenever it is possible. Be greedy to evaluate anybody. Be greedy to be a Toastmaster of the day. Be greedy to learn more. Because Toastmaster is the only platform where you can stand like me in the public and speak. Am I right? Even the SA, Sergeant Arms, when he comes for 2 minutes, 2 minutes into 52 weeks, just imagine that 52 weeks makes a difference in somebody's life. When you come here and speak for that 2 minutes, that person's life changes. He is a confident speaker, he can become a confident leader, and he can speak anywhere in the public. So, are you ready to be greedy?
The wisdom. And yes, we will all strive to be more greedy, taking up more roles. My fellow Toastmasters in my club and I feel very privileged because we are the charter members of this club. Being a charter member, we are the first members to join this club. We help establish its culture, set its goals, and also lay foundation for future success.
President of Al Sabah Toastmasters, my dear friend Karthik Subramaniam, distinguished Toastmaster, as rightly pointed out, the founder seeds person, distinguished Toastmaster Ramaswamy, my fellow crime partner, our program quality director Cyprian Biscuit, and my fellow executive committee members on any matter. Okay, one part of the theory I have established. I have that other word called as fuse. I am not an engineer, so disclaimer if anything on engineering aspect. I am a very old guy, so in that fuse, the ligament can be replaced except for LED or other bulbs. Similarly, in public speaking, you have something called as proper body language, vocal variety, or conveying the message in a very clear manner.
Quality Director to convey some message.
Club Road Director, DTM Ramanujam, Area Director, Division Director, President, Club Officers, and yes, good evening. It's so nice to see a full house, and I was here for the first meeting, the inaugural meeting, and it was on top. That was also a full house, and today we have around 20 members in the club, which is a very good sign. Now I'll take some time off, as I think many of the members are not there. I'll take some time off and just ask you all to introduce yourself who have come in as guests. Okay?
My friend is Anu. She invited me to come. That's why I'm here.
Okay, good.
During the inauguration.
Okay.
Just I wanted to see that how they are performing. Thank you.
Now we just took a break. I just want to see how it is going.
So you should be a shining light.
I just came to see how Toastmasters is. I don't have any idea about it. So I just came to know how it works and all. I'm also ex-Toastmasters from our club. I came to encourage my fellow Toastmasters from our club.
Without joining.
To be with the Ansapar Toastmasters, but to enjoy and to be with the team.
Thank you. I just came to experience what the Toastmaster does and how it works. I'm not a Toastmaster, I'm supposed to do this kind of program. So just wanted to experience what is happening over there. Thank you.
Dedication of my students and ISG and here to show support to the Salsa Club of Masters and of course for everyone. So this came to encourage my fellow mates.
medium of 5.53 YouTube network and show myself. Thank you.
What's your potential? What's your talent? When I joined Toastmasters, I could not come up on stage and speak. To show your skills, which will improve the speaking skills of the others. You can mentor people. And you should be working in a team for the benefit of the members. And definitely the club will grow, the members will grow. Maybe one day I may find some of you at the International Speech Convention.
To take our club to more heights. Ladies and gentlemen, it's my pleasure to call upon our dear mentor, DTM Ramaswamy.
Thank you, Master of Ceremony. It was a table topic for me. I told that, don't call me to the stage. I particularly told that I am already addressing at the club level. I don't want them to come here and do myself. Thank you, Master of Ceremony, for accepting my words and brought me here. This is my third charter certificates. There are 3 clubs who deserve a round of applause from all of us. And I congratulate all the EXCO members who took oath today. And I am seeing that I see something on me, there is a copy.
What's the surprise which is not in agenda? Can someone guess? No? Huh? Yes! Bullseye! I'll tell the topic, then or color. Orange is a fruit or a color? Toastmaster Anil Sebastian.
Table topic master, district dignitaries, club members and coach, fellow Toastmasters. Orange, for me, it is a fruit. But sometimes when I just go to my kids' room, orange is a color also. So I will take a midway as it's a fruit as well as it's a color.
To pick. Don't worry, I am not going to pick any guest. That's the clue. But someone being a Toastmaster but not renewed from other club might be called. Get ready. 2 pins. So be prepared. The next topic, smiling is my favorite exercise, not me. Smiling is my favorite exercise. Toastmaster Rekha.
Smiling. What a nice topic. It reflects so many things when you think about smiling. The one quote which I always remember is the day when your mother cries is when you are born, your mother will cry. Actually, we are supposed to smile, but we used to cry. That is an emotional feeling when you see the first baby. Smiling. If you are going into an angry, if you are going to a place where you feel very angry, or when you are your mood swings, when you see a daughter, when you see your son, if they just smile, all your anger, all your mood swings, everything will get vanished.
Cost money. So does ignorance. Education costs money. So does ignorance. Please put your hands together to welcome VP membership of ISG Wise Minds Teacher. Sorry, I don't know your name.
And my fellow members. Education costs money, so does ignorance. But I don't think education actually costs money. It's more like an investment. But ignorance does cost money in the sense that if you're not educated, you're a ignorant person, it's going to cost you money, your time, your effort, everything. But imagine I'm a teacher, right? And I know what is the meaning and the value of education. Education is something that is valuable. Imagine that you want to become something, like an engineer, a doctor. Sometimes I talk to my friends, I talk to my students, they also, their main passion right now is to want to become a YouTuber or some kind of a social media influencer. For this reason, they want to get educated. Okay? None of them actually think about the cost of education. None of them think that education is a burden anymore. They know that these are stepping stones towards success. But imagine that you have no idea about where you want to go. And what you have, where you can go, you have no idea. All that you can go is at nowhere. In that ignorance is to cost you money.
Someone smiles today. Be the reason someone smiles today. Toastmaster Sharda Sundar.
Toastmaster Ramasamy correct my name. I want to enjoy the speeches, but again you put me in the spot. Anyway, smile is one of the things I really value because everyone say it is my plus. For me, smile is one of my plus points. When you see someone smiling at you, how will you react back? Will you stare at them, or will you smile back? Yes, you will smile back. So, whatever the reasons, you may meet someone new on that day. You may not know what they are going through that day. They may have a bad day, or they may have had an accident, or something else. Something that might have happened to them in that day. But if you smile at them, surely they are not going to turn their face and go away. they will also look back at you, they will smile. So smile is one of the most precious things that each and every person should have.
Where do you find inspiration? Toastmaster Kalivan.
Anyway, it is within us. It is like a mirror. It is in our belief. If you want to do that, if you want and believe what that there is a will, there is a way. It is within you. You have to build yourself. There is nothing outside by the motivational speech or videos, nothing like that. It is in our, it's within us. So we have to cultivate that, we have to promote that, we have to grow with that, and we have help the friends to grow. That's what I'm doing in my life. And thank you very much for giving this opportunity.
Smile. Any guest? Any volunteers? Or should I pick something?
Smile. Smile is, you can find smile always in my face. With a smile, you can hide all your emotions. Smile is there with me from long time. Even whatever you feel, to hide everything, you can smile. And if you want to get something from others also, smile will help you all. Which is very important for everyone to have smiley face always.
And this is really
We come to the end of the session almost. Good evening, fellow Toastmasters, guests, our family members. I'm glad and elated standing here in front of you on this occasion of Al Sabah Toastmaster Club Installation Ceremony. I'd like to thank district, division and area directors who have graced the ceremony, who has also guided us in completing the successful installation of our club. Round of applause for our Aslam Bhai, for all the support that extended to the venue and everything. Round of applause to you also. During the session, I'm looking forward to see the growth of our club in terms of individual growth for each members as well as more members joining to the club. So I like to call upon everyone for a group photo.